Let's take a look at how PDMPublisher makes it easy to align annotations with existing SOLIDWORKS notes. First, we head over to the Annotations tab inside PDMPublisher. Let's now select the PDMPublisher annotation we want to position. Next, in SOLIDWORKS, we'll select any existing note. This is the one we'll use as a reference for positioning. Once the note is selected, we go back to the Annotations tab in PDMPublisher and simply click Copy XY from Note. And just like that, the X and Y coordinates are transferred, placing the PDMPublisher annotation exactly where the original SOLIDWORKS note is located. This can be repeated as needed. Once we're happy with the alignment, we delete the test note from the sheet. Click Publish, and that's it. As you can see in the final PDF, the PDMPublisher note appears exactly where the original note was perfectly positioned every time. Download PDMPublisher today by going to pdmpublisher.com.